Despite the cancellation of meets like the Jamaica International Invitational and the Racers Grand Prix, Jamaican athletes will have the opportunity to earn prize money while competing locally at a series of meets which gets underway on May 22.
The events, which have been dubbed the Destiny Series, has come about as a result of a partnership between the JOA and the J3As, which will see the Olympic Association contributing $7 million towards the venture. J3A's Honorary Secretary Ludlow Watts gives an idea of the overall prize money which will be on offer.
We are planning to stage 14 events on each of the 3 weeks, May 22, May 29 and June 5. And the J3A will provide cash prizes totaling $2,104,000 in each week in these categories. So overall, the funding provided by J3 for prize money will be $6,312,000.
The disciplines have been split into two categories, Premier Events and Classic Events, which will offer prize money based on their classification and will see first to sixth place earning cash. Premier Events will offer a high of $100,000 for the winner to a low of $12,000 for sixth place, while Classic Events will see the winner pocketing $70,000 and sixth walking away with $10,000. But there are instances where an athlete can finish within the top six and still not get the cash award.
For example, if the performance standard is, say, 10.25 for the 100 meters, it means that everybody who gets the prize must fall within that band. So if the winner runs 10.25, he's the only one who will get the prize. And we have not stretched it to avoid paying. It's just that we want quality. We just want a meet for people just to run. We want quality of the event.
And as Watts explains, the event classification will be done on a rotation basis.
But for staging the events on May 29 and June 5, the 14 events will be reclassified and rotated in terms of premium, classic, and non-prize to guarantee equity in terms of competition preparation and benefits.
There will also be a fourth meet to be staged on June 19 as a qualifying event for Paralympic athletes, which will also serve as a last chance for Olympic hopefuls. Prize money will not be awarded to foreign nationals. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.